Working wife not entitled to alimony. Ankit Sah versus State of UP and another. Welcome to this legal breakdown of a significant judgment by the Allahabad High Court in the case of Ankit Sah versus State of UP and another. Section 125 of the CrPC is designed to provide legal support for financially dependent wives, ensuring protection against financial distress. Case facts. In this case, a deception was uncovered when the wife's true financial status was revealed, exposing her deliberate concealment of income from the court. While the family court initially awarded 5,000 rupees for equity, it also noted her false claims of unemployment despite earning 36,000 rupees a month. The husband appealed, highlighting her financial independence and his own duty to care for his aging parents. The Allahabad High Court ultimately canceled the maintenance order. The court deemed her suppression of facts as deliberate, confirming she was financially independent and capable of maintaining herself. This ruling emphasizes that while working wives can still receive maintenance, it is subject to the standard of living test, which assesses their actual income against their lifestyle needs. Thank you for watching,